Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to sort your emails by sender in Microsoft Outlook. So let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook and log in with your credentials. Once you are in, go to the inbox button on the left side and your all mails are at center of your screen. Now, look forward the double side arrow beside the filter option. Just drop down the menu and select From. Once you click on this, click the double side arrow button again and you will see the sort order option. Now, as you can see here, there are two options. First is A to Z. This generally means that sender are sorted alphabetically. Names starting from A appear at the top, then B, C, and so on. And the Z to Z does the opposite. Senders starting with Z comes first, then Y, X, and so on. So choose according to your need, and then that's it. It's done. Your inbox just got a whole lot easier to manage. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.